So I'm Chris Carnahan with the Aerospace Industries Association, and we are here at the DMS, MS, and Defense Manufacturing Conference in Orlando, Florida. So we're exhibiting for AIA and to promote the National Aerospace Standards program. We've been in existence since producing standards for the aerospace and defense industry since 1941, and we have a very large library of parts, fasteners that are used in both military and civil aircraft and in shipbuilding. We also have a number of standards that also support the aerospace industry, standard practices. One of the other major significant items that we're talking about here this week is our 3D project, and partnering with IHS and PartSolutions, we're developing a CAD library of parts that are used in the industry that there's about 850 parts that we'll be modeling and offering in a subscription coming up here in January. So the National Aerospace Standards are developed by members of the Aerospace Industries Association. We are very privileged to have intellectual property that's been contributed basically by the major aerospace manufacturers, and they've been working on these standards since the early 40s, so over 70 years. And we have a collection of the NAS parts. We also manage a number of military specs, MS parts that since late 90s were turned over to AIA, and we've been managing them ever since. So I would say probably about 15 years ago, basically the best way for you to be able to get a standard would be a paper document. So you would buy a paper document. The next step was to go to PDF, and so standards developers scanned in all of their content, and they were offering them as basically a picture, that PDF file. And the next step was to produce standards in Word, and then author them as a PDF file. The next step forward has been to offer 3D CAD models of the parts that are in the NAS library. So one of the biggest advantage of going in that of creating 3D CAD models is that it saves the industry a tremendous amount of time, reduces duplication, and reduces the potential for error. We solicited a number of quotes from the industry. We worked with, I think we received over 30 different proposals, and in the end we went with, we chose PartSolutions mainly because of the capability to produce files that are compatible with so many different formats, native CAD models, and so that plus competitive pricing for doing the work. And we're partnering with IHS because AIA has had a long-standing relationship with IHS to distribute our content. So if you want to learn more about the National Aerospace Standards or the 3D project, please go to our website, www.aia-nas.org, and we have a page there that has information on the 3D product.